Should you be buying Lunar Classic right now? Here's my honest opinion. Let's jump straight into it. Nothing in this video is financial advice. And here is the chart. And we have just had a monumental rise in the price of Lunar Classic. Congratulations to anyone who did not panic sell through these crashes that we were having. Congratulations. We made this awesome rise. You can see here that we did have a double bottom coming in, which is a known formation to have a bullish upside sometimes, right? Though that was an awesome trade that you could have got involved in. But if you had, what an incredible return that was there. Now, would I be buying in this region as we speak? The answer is no. In fact, if I had have bought down here in this region, or even on the way down here, I would for sure be taking profits here, depending on my risk profile and depending on my strategy when it comes to investing into Lunar Classic. But what we want to see right now before I would start jumping back in is consolidation, right? So we had a huge price action here, price movement. We don't really know how this is going to play out. Yes, it could go up higher, but it could also crash. So in my opinion, trying to trade this right now is more akin to gambling than it is to anything else because we really don't know. So what we want to see is something along the lines of this, right? We want to see some consolidation around a level. Now, these key levels, one being here. This was the first line that we kept seeing as resistance and sometimes support here. So that would be the first line exactly here at 0003 and then down here at 00026. Potentially around here in the middle could be a place, but this is a much stronger zone, I would say. You can see how many times it was retested here as support many times. And then again here at 00024. So these are the kinds of levels that we want to look for. We could see things like this happen. Oh, excuse those lines. Sorry, let me get rid of that. Ugh. This is the kind of thing that we could see happen. Something like here, or maybe even we see here. But what we want to see is these sorts of consolidation patterns come in really before we start jumping in, because then normally what comes after a consolidation is more price action, right? So that's what we want to see. I wouldn't be jumping into it right now as it would just be pure gambling at this point, because there's no way of knowing if this is going to continue to rise, because this is a move based on a specific news event, and that news event was Binance coming out and saying that they're going to implement a burn mechanism for the trading fees, which I think is very fair of them, both the fees for spot trading and margin trading. So I think this is going to be very positive. And if you do want to support this Binance burn, there's a link down there in my description to Binance. They're an affiliate of the channel. Sign up there and start trading on Binance, because every time you trade on Binance, both spot and margin, you'll be adding to the Lunar Classic burn. So that's one way that you can help out the community right now. With that said, I will see you guys in the next one.